Hello everyone and welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I have decided to vlog the Silver Glade cross-country competition. Today I am riding Angel, my latest lease horse. I know, you don't need another horse, am I right? I've been hoping to ride Angel in something for a while now and I decided to vlog it this time. So I'm very excited to show you all. So shorten your reins and enjoy the video. So very early this morning, I went over to the stables to get Angel ready, and he was just finishing up on last night's feed. And so basically, all I had to do was get him groomed up and washed and ready to go. If you're wondering why Angel currently does not have a halter on, that is due to me just wanting to be able to wash every part of him. So next I got on his travel boots and his halter as well as his travel blanket, and I made sure that I had all of his tack and extra feed for later all packed up. Then I quickly threw on a jacket and made sure all of my clothes was packed up, and then we headed out. When we arrived at Silver Glade, I made sure that Angel was doing okay and that he hadn't accidentally injured himself while driving in the trailer or anything like that. This was his first time going to Silver Glade and also my first time, and I was very excited to be there. I used a spirit change room to get dressed, and my friend Charlie tacked Angel up for me. Charlie was only there to be a supervisor as well as run some of the drones that were going to be filming us. We then had to wait for our names to be called to begin.